Hi guys, so we have major news coming in here that the courses will be offered in the mother tongue in ITs and IT from next year. This is official now. So there was a talk going on. Even I made a video on that I am also planning to do that. Now, I am director call for CAT exam in regional language. So I made a joke out of that, saying that कि अरे कैसे होगा hit time pass recommendation. But this is happening. This is happening in IT JE. So same thing in happening MB also. Now the problem is that if you connect if the teaching is imparted in a mother tongue. So let's look at the detail here. So the देखिए वो made to start the technology, especially in engineering colleges, imparting in mother language. They have selected 9 languages to start with, apart from Hindi and English, where the courses will be conducted. A few IITs and IIT have been shortlisted for the same. Okay, now this is a chaos. Yeah, this will create a chaos, because if you are going to conduct education is in language Hindi, but exam is in English. Obviously, you have to crack the exam if it's in English, how can you have the technical education in Hindi? So exam have to be conducted in the mother tongue. And that's the second news of the day. I'm just calculating all the news. JEE to be conducted in the regional language. The national NTA have also announced that JEE will be conducted. ऐसा नहीं कि हो सकता है. JEE will be conducted in 9 languages apart from Hindi and English. So will be conducted in 10 languages. So हो सकता है कि soon we will see the same kind of announcement coming in MBA program as well. UGC also been directed to ensure all scholarships, fellowship are distributed in time to start the helpline for the same and address all the grievances of the student immediately, and this have to be started next year. And as usual, few of the NIT directors have also raised their complaint or raised their concern. The logistical issues will also be highlighted by the institution as a bottleneck. Apart from the availability of faculty in the mother tongue, which also a major issue, the classes have to be divided language wise, and availability of the books in the language will be another issue. Of course, see, a local state university doing this thing is understandable. Pune University want to have Marathi as another language, option language, makes sense, and they can easily do that. There will be student as well. Now a central university like IT, suppose let's say IT Delhi, 5 students are there from Tamil Nadu, 5 students there from Odisha. How will they implement that, yaar? They can't have a teacher, books, curriculum, lectures for 5 students and 2 students. So how they going to implement that? I have no idea. कि क्यों कर रहे यार? At least I understand the other countries में ऐसा होता है. Like Japan, they only teach Japanese. German, they talk only in Germany, they talk in German. France, they talk in French. But that is one country, one rule, yaar. India is not one state. India is multiple states. Now 10 languages if you start, तो कल को बाकी लोग भी आ जाएंगे कि पंजाबी में स्टार्ट करो, हरियाणवी में स्टार्ट करो. So that will be a major chaos. In principle, that's the final summary which is there in the newspaper. Providing technical education in the regional language is a great idea. It's more democratic and break the class hierarchy of languages. यार class hierarchy, why you want to teach for engineers? यांत्रिकी, अभियांत्रिकी, ये सब क्यों सिखाना है उनको? But it's going to be a massive infrastructure inputs, including new books, teachers for this technical education. And if same thing happen in MBA, is going to be a major chaos. I think it's very difficult to implement. Yeah. अभी फिर एक प्रॉब्लम क्या आ जाएगा? Like for example, IIM Ahmedabad don't have a faculty who teaches in Tamil or any of the South Indian language. Just imagine that case. And a student who wants to study in that language, he might be rejected in the interview as well. कि यार इसको अगर ले लिया, we have to hire the faculty, books, everything for him. So कल को वो भी आ जाएगा again. तो if this happens, IIMs have to again have another quota of the language. We can only teach these 5 languages, so you have to choose among these 5 languages. If you can't choose in these 5 languages, तो तुम नहीं आ सकते. Then बच्चा can sue them कि यार NTA राइट टू एजुकेशन में तो लिखा है कि आई कैन टेक एनी लैंग्वेज आई वांट. So welcome to the chaos.